Welcome one more day to Responsible Economy. Today, let's talk about Capital One Savings Account. In this video we will show you the interest rate it offers, terms, fees, requirements, and our conclusion. As always, at the end of this video, you have a comparison with the 7 best savings account that you can open in the United States. You also have more related videos in the description of this video. Let's start. The interest rate offered by Capital One is 3.40% APY. This savings account offers one of the highest interest rates in the United States. Savings accounts do not have minimum terms. Since you deposit the money, you get a remuneration. In addition, you can withdraw the money at any time you want without having any penalty. You should keep in mind is that the interest rate offered can vary, both up and down. There is no minimum deposit required to open the account and no minimum balance required. You can open the Capital One savings account without depositing money and not have to pay anything. Capital One savings account has no monthly fees, and opening the certificate of deposit is free. Also add that Capital One is member to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, so your money is insured up to $250,000. Even if Chase goes bankrupt, your first $250,000 would be safe. As we said before, you can withdraw the money whenever you want without penalties. It is the big difference between certificates of deposits and savings accounts. In savings accounts, there are no penalties for withdrawing money. To open a Capital One savings account, it is not necessary to be a client or have a current account with Capital One. It is only necessary to reside in the United States and have Social Security. One of the biggest advantages of Capital One is that you can open this savings account at any branch. The banks that offer the highest returns are online and do not have branches, but this is the case of Capital One. The money you can earn depends on 3 variables: money deposited, returns, and terms. These 3 variables are directly proportional to the interest generated. The more money deposited, the more interest. The longer the money is in the bank, the higher the interest, and the higher the return, the higher the interest. If we deposit $100,000 for 6 months with an interest rate of 4%, we will have $2,000 of interest, but we leave it for a year, we will have $4,000 of interest. Finally, you are looking at the 7 best savings accounts that you can open in the United States. The maximum interest rate is 4.05% APY, while the minimum interest rate is 3.3% APY. Remember that they are the best 7 savings accounts. You are also seeing if they have requirements. Both here above and in the description, you have a video in which we explain the features of each one. Our conclusion is that Capital One offers one of the best savings accounts you can open in the United States because the interest rate is high, there are no requirements, and you have a high number of branches. We hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask us, and we will try to solve it in less than 48 hours. You can also subscribe to receive videos every day and visit us at Responsible Economy website, and remember that you have more links in the description. Have a nice day.